Today we bring you a story from Pullambara Panchayat in Thiruvananthapuram, Kerala, where residents are living in fear and uncertainty due to a looming environmental disaster. The source of their anguish? A quarry operation in nearby Vengamala that allegedly triggered a landslide in 2023. The aftermath has left the community shaken, with many homes damaged and lives disrupted. For over 3 decades, the Pullambara and Mukkudil wards near Venyaramud have been grappling with the adverse effects of this quarry. The blasting operations have altered the geographical landscape and threatened the existence of its people. In 2018, the District Environmental Impact Assessment Authority granted environmental clearance to the quarry, but residents claim the clearance was riddled with factual errors and manipulation. Pullambara Panchayat Standing Committee Chairman Srigandan Annan alleged manipulation in the clearance, underlining the inaccuracies. For instance, it failed to mention the nearby Kani tribal community settlement and their famous Vengamala Devi temple, located just 50 meters below the quarry, which instead showed the Shasta Nada temple, located approximately 3 kilometers away. The clearance also mentioned settlements as being 2 kilometers away, ignoring densely populated areas like Mamudu, Maruthamudu, Pullambara, and Vengamala. On top of that, there are claims of conspiracy to wipe out the Kani tribal groups from the locality. Despite warnings from local leaders and protests by residents, the quarry operations continued, even after the devastating landslide in 2023. According to the villagers, had the district authorities studied the environmental impact of the quarry, the disaster could have been avoided. Residents also allege that the quarry has polluted air and water, with waste being dumped into the nearby Vamanapuram river, a vital resource for the community. The people of the region live in constant fear. The land value has dropped, and even marriage proposals from the area are being rejected. The situation is dire, but at present, the quarry operations continue under an interim court order permitting limited activity. The residents have raised their concerns with district authorities, human rights commissions, and local panchayats, hoping for intervention. With the memory of the devastating Wayanad landslide still fresh in Kerala's mind, the people of Pullambara are pleading for immediate action to prevent another disaster.